In 2026, the best spade shovels have evolved from simple digging tools into ergonomic precision instruments designed to reduce physical strain and maximize soil penetration. The focus this year is on structural integrity, with top manufacturers utilizing aerospace-grade carbon steel and reinforced fiberglass to prevent the snapping and bending common in older models. Starting at number 1, Fiskars 46 Spade Garden Shovel. The Fiskars 46-inch steel square garden spade is a heavy-duty edging and digging tool designed for precision work in tough soil. Unlike traditional wood-handled shovels, this spade features a welded 14-gauge hardened steel blade and an 18-gauge steel shaft, creating a unified metal structure that eliminates the risk of snapping or flexing under heavy pressure. Its flat, square blade is specifically optimized for cutting clean trenches, removing sod, and creating crisp borders along lawns and flower beds. The tool is built with a focus on ergonomics to reduce user fatigue during long projects. It features a unique teardrop-shaped shaft that mimics the natural grip of your hand and an oversized D-handle that is wide enough for two-handed control, even when wearing heavy work gloves. Additionally, the extra-large foot platform allows you to apply maximum body weight safely to penetrate compacted dirt or thick turf. Number 2, Root Assassin One-Shot Garden Shovel. The Root Assassin One-Shot Garden Shovel is a specialized high-capacity digging tool designed to move significantly more material than a standard spade. Its defining feature is the patented wing technology, turned-up edges on the sides and back of the blade that create a bucket-like shape. This design allows the shovel to hold roughly 25% more soil per scoop while preventing dirt, gravel, or mulch from spilling off the back onto your feet or clean lawn. The 43-inch version is optimized for control and leverage, featuring a heavy-duty fiberglass shaft and a wide D-handle grip. The innovative wings also serve a secondary purpose. They create an extra-large foot platform, allowing you to use your full body weight to drive the 14-gauge steel blade into compacted soil or sod without the blade edge cutting into your boots. Number 3, Bully Tools Planting Spade Shovel. The Bully Tools 44-inch planting spade is a professional-grade landscaping tool defined by its extreme durability and overbuilt construction. Unlike consumer-grade shovels that use thinner 14 or 16-gauge steel, this spade features a heavy-duty 12-gauge steel blade, which is significantly thicker and more resistant to bending or prying. Its flat, square-head design is specifically engineered for vertical tasks, slicing through sod, creating crisp garden borders, edging, and digging precise rectangular holes for transplants. A key structural advantage is the closed-back blade design. By welding a steel plate over the back of the shovel head, Bully Tools prevents mud from accumulating in the socket and reinforces the tool against the high-leverage stresses of prying out rocks or heavy roots. The fiberglass D-grip handle provides a balance of weight and strength, featuring a wood-reinforced core and a wide, no-slip grip that accommodates gloved hands. Number 4, Ashman Spade Shovel. The Ashman 41-inch spade shovel is a lightweight, multi-purpose tool designed for homeowners who need a versatile digging implement that doesn't sacrifice strength for portability. Weighing just 2.2 tons, it is significantly lighter than industrial steel shovels, which often exceed 5 lumps, making it an excellent choice for extended gardening sessions to seniors or those looking to reduce back and arm fatigue. Despite its light weight, the blade is made of hardened steel that has been heat-treated for durability and powder-coated to resist rust and corrosion. The spade features a straight-edge blade optimized for precision tasks like lawn edging, trenching, and slicing through thick turf. Its D-handle grip is ergonomically shaped to allow for two-handed control and maximum leverage when stepping on the blade to penetrate compacted soil. With a high-strength fiberglass handle that is more weather-resistant than traditional wood, this shovel is built to handle a variety of yard tasks, from transplanting bushes to clearing campfire sites, while remaining easy to maneuver. Number 5, VNIMTI Heavy-Duty Gardening Shovel. The VNIMTI 56-inch round blade gardening shovel is a full-size digging tool designed for high-leverage garden work and heavy-duty landscaping. Its standout feature is the extended 56-inch length, which is specifically designed to allow taller users to work with a straighter posture, significantly reducing the lower back strain associated with shorter shovels. The blade is constructed from 50 mid and manganese steel, a high-strength alloy that has been heat-treated for superior hardness, allowing it to cut through compacted clay, gravel, and rocky soil without deforming. The shovel features a vibrant orange fiberglass handle, which provides a high strength-to-weight ratio and natural shock absorption compared to traditional wood. To ensure control in all weather conditions, the handle is equipped with two textured, non-slip grip zones that maintain their stickiness even when wet. With a reinforced joint and a wide foot tread for maximum downward pressure, this shovel is built for professionals and serious home gardeners who need a reliable tool for deep digging and material transfer.